We are fortunate to be living in comfortable homes and surroundings. We feel safe and protected when we are with our loved ones. But in the earlier days, this was not the case with man. Life was tough, and every day presented him with new challenges. The picture on the screen shows you the Stone Age man. He was given this name because he made tools and weapons of stones. But the Stone Age man still had a difficult time living in the thick forests with ferocious animals. He would often wander around in search of food. This wandering Stone Age man came to be known as the nomadic man. Today, I will be taking you back to the earlier days, into the deep, thick forests where the Stone Age nomadic man lived. Look at this forest. There are trees and bushes everywhere. The Stone Age man took shelter in them. Sometimes he chose to live in caves near water bodies, as water was man's basic need. Did the Stone Age man survive only on water? Well, no. He plucked fruits from trees. With his newly made tools, the Stone Age man was able to dig out roots and bulbs from under the ground. Thus, he ate whatever was available in nature. The Stone Age man also ate meat and fish. You can see the Stone Age man holding a dead squirrel. He killed small animals himself, but he could not hunt large animals all by himself. So, he hunted them with other men. Together, they used various methods for hunting. Now, there are many more interesting facts about the Stone Age man and how he faced different challenges. Now, you and I buy clothes from the shop or get them stitched by tailors. We need clothes to cover our bodies. The Stone Age man felt the same, but made his own clothes. Let us understand how. Have you ever wondered why animals like the bear are hairy and furry? It is nature's way of protecting the bear from harsh and cold winters. But man is not so fortunate. He is not as hairy as a bear, and he does not have a thick skin. So, man needed extra protection from the sun, wind, rain, and the cold. Thus, man had to wear clothes. But what clothes did he wear? Man made clothes from material that was available in nature. Man wore clothes made of bark or leaves of trees and sometimes animal skin. Bark is a thick outer covering of a tree or a branch. The Stone Age man realized that he could not wear the bark, leaves, or the skin around himself without joining them. He found a way out for this. With his knowledge of tools and weapons, the Stone Age man used big bone needles to join the bark or skin. He also used tough creepers, straw ropes, and leather strings as thread. Now take a look at this picture of the Stone Age man. Wow! He is all dressed up. Stone Age man was intelligent, and so he was able to adjust to his surroundings. He was not afraid. The Stone Age man lived in groups and made new discoveries. Let us move on and know more. The Stone Age men helped each other. Whenever they faced a shortage of water or food in a region, they moved to another place. The Stone Age men lived a nomadic life. This was necessary to survive. So, this period in the life of the early man is called the nomadic stage. Thus, the Stone Age man was also called the nomadic man. The nomadic men, women, and children felt safe and protected in groups. A family setting helped their children learn skills like hunting and making tools. They imitated their grown-ups. As these nomadic groups moved from place to place, they met other groups. At times, they made friends with each other. Sometimes, they even fought with each other. This happens to us too sometimes, doesn't it? We, as human beings, share our belongings with each other and benefit from each other's experience. The nomadic Stone Age men too did the same. While living in groups, they learnt about new tools. They also learnt new skills and new methods of hunting. Have you heard of the saying, "United we stand and divided we fall"? Well, the nomadic Stone Age men stayed together and thus made progress. The nomadic Stone Age man had now become a social animal. He learnt that there was unity in being together. He kept progressing. As we read the further chapters, we will know more about the Stone Age man's progress. As we read the chapters further,